Hi guys, it's another beautiful day and I got a new unboxing video to do. It's my second unboxing video ever, and with me here I got the Amazon Echo Show 8 that I will be unboxing. So I've not done this before, so that's why I got a knife to open the box up. So let's get right to it. Yep. So I got this at Amazon at a pay little pay small price, so I pay for it monthly because I just couldn't pass the offer of not paying it once. So I got it off that, and I got it delivered yesterday, but I have waited today to do the unboxing. So here we go. That's the main box package it came in. I'm gonna drop right here, and here I got it in another line on wrap. I'll just open up, and yeah, there we go. That's the Echo Show 8. It's glory, looking nice. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So there's a line here that I'm supposed to follow. I can get to the knife now, I think. So, opening up the box. Right, so I think this is the Echo Show itself. And then I got the power brick, which is this. And then I got the manual, I think, things to try with Alexa. And then I got the important information leaflet, which mostly I don't think I'll read, and that's all in the box. Right, so I'm just gonna drop this back in. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. I might come back to it later. And so let's open this up. I'm not sure I opened this earlier on, but there it goes. Another nylon wrap, which how do I open this? Okay, there's a lifting. Okay. Yeah, so that's the Echo Show. It's my fingerprints are really making it dirty, sort of. So that's the Echo Show 8. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna connect this to power it up. So what I've done before now is when I was making the purchase in my basket, I asked Amazon to configure my account so I don't have to do some fresh signings and all that. Probably to connect to the Wi-Fi afresh, so by itself automatically, I mean. So let's check that out. This is a pretty long cable, I think. So I can pass it to the back of the table right there and see it work. So I'm just gonna plug this in under the table right now. And I'll pass it over here. And I see the cable room. Nice. So I'm gonna plug this to the power port. So it's got a micro USB thing here. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that. I guess when I read the manual I'll know. And then there's an audio jack here. So I'm just gonna plug it to power. Boom. Because that's the main thing I wanna do. So plug into power now. Then it powers up. Just like that. Then let's complete the setup right now. So it's coming up right here. I think I'll hold it like this at the end of the video so we can all see what's going on the screen. Oh, you can hear the sound. I thought it was outside noise. It's actually coming from the Echo itself. Alright, so it's getting online. You can see it's getting my device online. I think I'll put it down till it's that part is done, or I could bring the camera closer to actually see that. Pardon me, there'll be a little shake here. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's the echo. So it's asking me the language, English UK.
Hello, ready for setup.
I got the Wi-Fi. I want to connect to. So I'm gonna put this off screen so you don't know my password. You don't get my Wi-Fi password. Let's give a moment to get the Wi-Fi password here. Wi-Fi networks, save networks. I just want to get it out of one of the devices I've connected to in the past. So that's so I guess it automatically links to the Wi-Fi. So yep. Then it's connecting. Yeah, come to my face, baby. So it's fetching my registration status, and it detected my name from the start. So it's saying it's registered to me. Then I need to enter my Amazon password, I guess. So I'm just gonna do that off screen. I think that's just to verify I am who I say I am. Alright. So it's registering this to me now. I says to complete this process, visit amazon.com/code. So let me just do that on this laptop right here. I'm just gonna open up the browser. Let me move this back now. So let me complete that process right here. Okay, it's asking me to now input that code. That's DZKPPW. And it's telling me on the laptop my registration is complete and it's loading the rest of the process up now. So let me adjust the camera view now to accommodate more view. Yep, so it's now registered and ready to go. So I'll click on continue. And it's telling me to confirm my time zone, BST, London, UK, continue. And then it's asking me where my Echo Show is located. I don't want to see my address, so I'll select my address off screen here. And where is this Echo Show located? I'll say it's in the office because this is where I work now that I'm working from home. So it's asking me for the name. I'll give it a name. And then it's asking me to choose my wallpaper. I think I'll select my Amazon photos because I got a couple of photos up on Amazon photos already. So it's asking me to choose my album. I think I could change this later. So I got some faces already configured here. So I'll just use daily memories. So I think that will make it more dynamic in my own view. And then it's asking me get 2 audiobooks for free, blah 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 and blah and blah. No thanks, not yet. I could do that very much later. I don't want to spend all my money on this right now. I just spent a whole ton.
This device is ready.
So it's telling me it's ready to go. So now, it's got my wallpaper already. Well, I could change some photos, of course. So I'm not sure why that was the first photo it brought. So I swipe to the left here or swipe right and it brought some stuff. So I could just link it up to my profile. So play a jazz playlist. I think I should start with that.
Good morning, Jazz from Dara Spotify.
Ain't that nice? Alright, so I pretty much got it set up and looks really nice to go. Got this nice screen to it. I could do all of the kind of stuff. So I guess all the other process I left to my control as I wish to do. I'll just keep on enjoying this music while I lay this down here, and then I continue set up my routines. Let me actually see my routines. I'm not sure I only got one routine set up. A good night start my day and all sorts. I'll finish setting all this up later while I enjoy jazz music. So guys, that's the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, also subscribe to my channel so you get notifications when I post new videos on this channel, because I might be doing some more unboxing later in the future because I still got some stuff shipping in. So that's it from me today. I'll see you again in another video.